In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through Shopify with ease. Let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to the Shopify website and access your store through the admin panel. This initial step is foundational because it sets the stage for all the customizations and product management you'll do later. Once you're logged in, you'll see the My Store to Home page. This is essentially your control center, where you can find everything you need to manage your online shop. Here you'll encounter various options and settings specifically designed to optimize your store's functionality and appearance. Spend a little time getting familiar with this dashboard if you're new, as it forms the basis for all your store management tasks. Next up, you'll want to click on Products from the menu on the left. This will bring you to the Products page, which displays all the items you currently have listed for sale. Now, suppose you want to edit a specific product for any updates or promotions. In our scenario, we'll choose Example Shirt 2. Clicking on this product will open up its individual product page, revealing a wealth of information and options for customization. Here you can edit the title, description, pricing, and any other product-specific settings that you deem necessary. Understanding these settings will help you fine-tune how each product appears to your customers, affecting their buying decisions. Now, let's dive into organizing your product with tags, which can greatly enhance searchability and categorization within your store. Once you're on the product page for Example Shirt 2, you'll notice an option labeled Tags. Clicking on Tags allows you to input various keywords and categories that best describe your product. Using descriptive and relevant tags not only helps customers find what they're looking for faster, but also helps you keep your inventory organized. It's beneficial to think from the customer's perspective. What terms would they use to search for this shirt? Consider including fabric type, style, or even potential occasions for wearing the shirt. Remember, the goal here is to make shopping on your site an intuitive and enjoyable experience. The simpler and cleaner your store's navigation is, the more likely customers are to make a purchase. Don't underestimate the power of a well-organized product catalog with easily searchable terms. Tags are a powerful way to enhance functionality without cluttering the interface. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through the Shopify admin, edited a product page, and utilized tags effectively. With practice, these steps will become second nature, allowing you to manage your store with confidence and ease. Thank you for tuning into today's guide, and keep experimenting to see what best suits your store's needs. We hope this walkthrough has been helpful, and we'll see you in the next video.